Kinoi lamba khmat ka Congress na Mawhati constituency, haka jingelam uba Charles Marngar MLA bat MDC ketika constituency, haka khandre trego nailar arja arpusau kila lej banya kendo yo menteri rangba kejela, ukonrat ke sangma Hapoh kayeng sa jong u, banya keran halor ban penyo ya ka Community and Rural Development C&RD block haka ketika constituency, nalor kiwe ki kampen roy ki balasa teng mentala bon snem. Habakran sikilat patai kubor ba Charles Marngar ulaang bagi nongsong snong ka siang ki haban mat shibun ki jing e namar ka jingbam dan ka C&RD block Mawhati ha ka baki haban lech shadu sning ka bajengai kumba prapo kilometer ye ban pendap ya laki kam ulaang balada ka don ka C&RD block kan wanra shibun ki jing mentoy na ka banta jongki nalor kene ulaang ru bahaga jinge kendo bad menteri rangba ka jela ulai kran halor ka jingpen bahano iki surak ki badang beteng ki bakenthop ya ka surak trai ka surak na sonidan hadu siang ka badan 20 kilometer ka surak na laper hadu lempoj bat ka surak na tiang hadu maurang bat ban penkiu kardan no ya ka maurang sub center bat ya ka sonidan sub center sya ka PHC
kabanga nga haban dan nyukor kadi ka timan kajing kwa kajing angnut jong kipat ba jong ka constituency bandon no la ka jong Community and Rural Development lane ka C&RD block Mawhati de kajing wan kendo jong i mata kasi kadai ka demand halor kini dingi sokomen hadu kata ba nakaliang jong chief minister ulak kulari kini la sanction hero ye kini ikut ki office work kilaya imenta sanction ye kini ulak itu yangi bat ba Shen hian sapan banano ia kene ka C&RD block tingi penpau ka jing sukaman ka kraw na ka banda ka jing ailap ka jong uban di kendo bangi ha ka bede ka C&RD block nang tade ka weipat ka ba kwa ban penpau ha ka bede ka C&RD block ki ki jing mentoy ki bangi yo la dang yo kene ka C&RD block ki jing mentoy ka bangin yo la dang yo ka C&RD block ka de ban pensuk ya ki pai ba namar pi balai nga ong ta nado na siang kumba arpo tam teligi snong ki haban wan shadu sning ka jingjangai ka distance ka ba prapo kilometer urang ba snong teng bapli ka bai kali umdan u haban ma shadu sning ban reserve ka kali nang tade ki pension teman ki scheme yang badok nang ta ki scheme ha ka bai dai ba kini ki scheme ka kam shis pas ngi mat ki wai ki jingdan kam na mar pi ka C&RD block hi ka dai ka badil man la ka sngi bat ki pai ba Tika ni kalau bu jing sisa, balada kerana ke urlong sisa kumbang ilai kerana mendadak sengi, bat ngabar tinru bandong ba, kalau urlong hi kan urlong hi, nak kejing kerana kejong chief minister kan long sisa kejing kerku, ya ke constituency hi baru kawai. Kata kadai kawai kemat, kabar pi ingin habang ilawan bani kendo ngilabu rosa kawai kemat, bat kata kalong ha kawai dai, bat usurok, intermediate lane, ubah dangsa, nasoni dan Shadu Shah siang. Haka bede bat uniru so kemen bana kaliang kejong chief minister ni ulong positif ban jawab ikene bat ngim atatin ni RUM kum balong kejing keren hak ni sngi imat ngin nom slam ban yo ni surok nasunidan Shadu siang kabadang sa kum masau kilometer kawai ru kamat ke balai ke bangi ngiwan hang ni kalong ban yuturu yaki kibapun mak disuruk kecik hakalet kawan apa konsulsi kamla banjir lu dang ni dari kum ka maurung lu dari ke wei no suruk bala tak pelat ya kelet kawan hakaba ngilade bannya lumru ya kirang bak snong jong ka maurung lu nak bentaban penyo no ini suruk ding ini tu ipi hoi uladon hakalis jong ka PMJSY phase 3 khat nhiều kilometer nang tade usuruk pamlatar nadu ka por ka pa ilong MLA ba jekedor phak hadu mentangin 4 yo per kilometer nang tade usruk napo laper selempoj kan 3 kilometer nang ta kawai ka patmai ka badon hakan les jong ka PMJSY phase 3 ka badai namaulas nai sha kedo ati 4 kilometer kini kita kimat ki bang nam ta usruk bat kiwai ro usruk ki balong internal road bat kiwai ki ba connect na kawai kisnong sha kawai kisnong kini kita ki bang iwan bani kram ta sngi ka babot PUE batangsan kadang suan nang tena blok tu na kita kisnong laper mat tengtelej hi sder ta terten ki kawai ka basungsi kalong ba hadu mata kidang don kisnong ki bompat don sko de ngasu kemen hadu kata ya kejing kendo yo chief minister ka tentang singi bana kaliang ka jong ula ai ka assurance ula ai hakmat tang jonga hakmat ki leader ki jonga na po constituency but immediately on sa shim iki steps panle no ye kini ki schools popli ki ba mat iki jing ki ba don ki snong ki ba padon school ki bolong ki ba ngala banong school less village ki ba padon school ki don ki snong ki ba don school break school building kim da kene kede ko way ka mat ka bang ra banyak kan de sa sisin na kalyang jongang pan pa bu jong aku play chum stable ai por nga ba ki nong yalam jongi na po ka constituency pat daga jingkerman ka bas kam ba kini baro kin urlong kumba na kalyang chum sta ula kene kasta kawai ka mga complete kawai de ki PHC upgradation of subcenter to PHC hangne hingala mention tang artli but kini ki artli ki bangala mention gidei ki balak don kampala Mawhati ni don tang kawai ki PHC nang tu kawan syadu syam try te kala idei ke por based on population ka jing don breu kala idei ke por hakabangin yo no sakaway ke PHC hasonida kaniro la de Bnai de memorandum cho chief minister pat ka baar kaniro kalong top priority hakabangin la de ban yo no ya ke PHC primary health center hangte Hapoh maurong pan upgradation ya ke sub center maurong syaka maurong PHC ini kidai ki bangila bu ya kabade ba kaniru yang CM ular ban pej bania penwatnya nomor 4 kidon ki guidelines haban base ka population bat kum ta ten kanun ka survey ba kum ta ten nagaleng jungang pa bu jis komen kabade ba kaniru nomor 4 positive response nagaleng chief
Hakabai day wat kania na kalyang konrad ke sang mau la pentikna ban sim khia halor kini ki jingdawa da ka pentem ban na kalyang ka sarkar kala dep ban pen kre ban pen urlong ulaong hakabai day wat ka Mawhati C&RD block ki jing pen kre kila nang ya chat bat sen an sapen bana paj ba no.
Today a delegation from Mawhati constituency has met me, which was headed by the local MLA from Mawhati, Charles Marngar, and many leaders from Mawhati constituency, and they had shared with me the different needs of Mawhati constituency, explaining to me that how currently the constituency is divided into two different blocks which are quite far away, one in Bhoirambong area and one is in Umsning, and in some areas people have to even travel over 80 kilometers to reach the block headquarters, which is very difficult and challenging for the people, and also for the government to be able to provide proper service to the grassroots people. So on basis of that, the Honorable MLA, Charles, and his leaders have requested if a new C&RD block can be constructed in or can be sanctioned for Mawhati area, and this proposal was put in. I'm happy to inform you as well as the people of Mawhati constituency that in principle I have accepted that proposal, and we are going to start the process of a sanction for a new C&RD block in Mawhati so that the people can get better service and access to the different schemes of the government through this new Mawhati C&RD block. At the same time, there was a request for the Sonidan to Umsiang road, which is again a very important connectivity for the people. On this front also, I have given assurance that there is the new package of the World Bank is coming up. In that package, I have assured the people of Mawhati area that this particular road under the new World Bank sanction will be taken up. Already it is in the list, in fact, and the DPR is being prepared. At the same time, there are certain areas where there are schools that are required, especially areas which are school-less right now, and those village names were given, about 7 or 8 of them. I have assured the delegation that through my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I will be sanctioning a certain amount so that these school buildings can be constructed. So it was a very positive meeting. I have seen that Mawhati constituency has been neglected a lot. There's not enough development in the past, and therefore a lot needs to be done. And I'm sure now with the active role that the local MLA is playing, we will be able to see much more development coming into the constituency of Mawhati.
Kun ba iet ngiju shet jing bam man la kasngi hato ngila ju perkhat ba kabam kabangi bam ka tain em ya kamet jungi
Mai ki juba mi kini ki ju ki jing ba man la kasngi bali kene ka jing kali minta
kato ka dukan ration bapen yai uba raju uya tho yanga
Ray man kapor yim ju yo ai kijing bam ki batay kamet ki balong ka daw jong kijing pang anemia pat kijing brie jong ki kma
ba kumnu ngan lai na kini ki jing stam
kong nangkong pide ban penmelin ban bam ya kijing bam ki bapha hakrukom bam jong pi bunsen ki long kmi bat ki khulong khana yo ya kini kijing pang namar kim yo ya kijing bam bantei ya kamen ka sarkar kelas dang ya ka food fortification ha ukhau ata mlu kadut bat ka umpnyang bam baro kindon kijing bam ka bantei kum ka iron folic acid vitamin B12 iodine zinc vitamin A bat vitamin D ya kini baro kila ban yo na kijing bam badi ha ki dukan ration
kata kamut ngidan yu khau 45 pabyang bha bat ngi
Mai uni khau tu bai biang ba pitharai baro kin bang ban ba mi uni
kon ka fortification jong khau kanum khata ya ka jing mat ba ka jing long jing man jong khau
Mai karukam ban bu ya ki ba karukam shet pat kala ban pher
om dei kon om dan jing pher la da dei ha ka rukom bu ne rukom shet kum ba fi ju shet yu khau ba fi thien kum chu ru la shet ya uni u khau
okum ta
te khon ka jing bam ba ai ka kwat ka khya bat ka ba ai bor ka met ka phat bat ka bor per khat jungi hato dang dan ki jing bam ba kham bha ban ya uni
hoit mai fikran ya ka ba dei sisha
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya